Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing data so the graph reflects reality. First, remove merged cells and ensure each column has a clear header. This helps Excel map axes automatically. Once done, select the exact contiguous range including headers, use Ctrl+Shift+End to confirm selection. Make sure numeric columns are truly numeric, not text, because charts read type not intent. If you have dates, format them consistently. Otherwise, Excel may misorder points. Now you're ready to insert the first chart element. You now insert and refine the chart. Go to Insert, choose Recommended Charts or pick Line, Bar, or Scatter depending on pattern and axis needs. Scatter for XY precision, Line for trends. Once created, use Chart Tools to switch rows and columns so series map correctly. This swaps X and Y roles when needed. Then filter series to remove blanks, add a secondary axis for differing scales, and use Quick Layout to get legends and titles placed logically. Make sure grid lines support, not clutter, the data story. Finish by polishing and exporting the graph. Format axes ticks, set units and decimal places, and add axis titles so viewers instantly understand scale and measure. Adjust marker size, line weight, and colors for contrast, then export by right-clicking the chart. Copy as picture for slides, or save as PDF/image for sharing. If values appear missing, check for hidden rows, applied filters, or numbers stored as text. Convert those cells and refresh the chart. If problems persist, rebuild using a smaller test range to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.